Hello, everyone. Spatial Stage includes hundreds of 3D models in its library, but you can also import your own. Let's take a look at how this feature works. We recommend using the GLB format because it is easier to work with. You can download 3D models on websites like sketchfab.com. For more recommended marketplaces, check the video description. Let's start by opening Spatial Stage and loading a project. To import your 3D model, go to Actors, then My Actors. Click the Import button in the top right corner and select your file. To add it to the scene, simply drag and drop it into the viewport. Now, go to the editor. The first tab is Transform. Here, you can move, rotate, or scale the imported model. The second tab is called Materials. You will find a list of material slots for the imported model here. Each slot represents a different part of the actor's surface. You can click on a slot to select it and then apply a new material from the library. Continue this process until all parts of the 3D model have their materials applied. And that's it. If you need more information about this feature, check out the advanced tutorial. Thank you for supporting us by subscribing to our channel, liking, or leaving a comment. Until next time.